And so if you let yourself down, you can start setting smart goals. Do a goal that you can honestly accomplish. If you, like, for instance, if you said that you're going to, eat healthy, but every day you want to eat an apple, you end up picking up a donut. You can starting small like that. You can say, I'm gonna rebuild trust with myself, my eating habits. Instead of picking up a apple every day, I'm gonna just choose Wednesday. That's the day I'm going to pick up an apple, and I'm gonna eat a donut six other days of the week. So you're gonna start small. Do small little steps. Start small little steps. If you know that you're angry all the time and it brings up bad memories because of bad memories. One thing I'm gonna tell you, I used to do. I used to practice smiling, right? Because I noticed that, and then speaking, saying hello, just speaking to people, because I noticed that I would just walk past people and not say anything.